Hello from Spa. My name is Mark. I'm 57 and I'm the very happy owner of this F355 Challenge version. So the F355 basically it's a 3.5 liters engine with 380 horsepower. The car in the Challenge version has different brake, different wheels, all the safety aspects. It's a very nice car to drive. It's very easy to drive at the limits. It slides very nicely, very gently. The noise is just tremendous. And yes, a lot of pleasure. So this car is from 95. In 95, the Challenge version comes as Berlinetta with a kit to transform them as a Challenge, which is the case of this one. And this is the reason why this car is road legal. From 96, the car came directly from the factory with a couple of changes, but only cosmetic changes. The Challenge at that time was a challenge for gentleman drivers, but quite competitive. A lot of action on the track, a lot of crash, a lot of movements. It's a 95 model, so you still have the aluminum brakes, manual gearbox, LN2 in braking. Very fun to drive. Also I've done probably 40 track days with the car without any problem. Just change the parts, the discs sometimes, the tires of course, and the rest, the car is running always without any problem. So I drive mainly here in Spa, first because it's the best track in the world. Second, the place is just wonderful. It's sunny today. There are a lot of high-speed corner, middle corner. Of course, there is Eau Rouge, which is, wow, such a corner, but also Blanchimont. But the best part for me is this mix of corners. You have to be good on the braking, good in the corner. The double left is just tremendous. It's never ending, a lot of G's, and then you have the piff puff, very rewarding. The car is sliding a lot there. So yes, everything here is just so nice. You have also two very hard braking corners. So you have everything here. So why go somewhere else?